समझ में आना नहीं है।
ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਦੇ ਬੁੱਢਾ ਦਰਿਆ ਨੂੰ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਮੁਹਿੰਮ ਚਾਲੂ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੋ very happy that the educated class of Ludhiana is trying to save the waters of the city, and we've got this campaign going on. So we can see there's a lot of girls, ladies and the families who have gathered to save Buddha Darya,
Yes.
which has become Nala.
Yes.
So
Apparently people have started calling it Nala only.
yeah.
So this is the negative connotation that we need to change, that the revolution we wish to see is हमें उसको नाला बोलना ही नहीं है, वो है दरिया, and
नहीं
we're
पर
going to
काला
turn it
पानी
back.
है. When you take out
So
the
that
water,
is the
it's like a
मोर्चा,
nala.
that is the मोर्चा कि हमने वो काला पानी ही change करना है.
Always know it about with the name of Buddha Nala. That is the main thing. People मतलब know कि it is a nala. We have to tell them it is a darya.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਾਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਰਿਆ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਸਾਡਾ ਪੁਰਾਣਾ ਦਰਿਆ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਕੁਦਰਤ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫਰੈਸ਼ ਵਾਟਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਸਾਡਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਜ਼ਿਊਮ ਕਰਨਾ। ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾਲੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਲਈਏ? ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਚਾਹੀਏ ਕਿ ਡਾਈਂਗ ਵਾਲੇ ਜਾਂ ਦੂਜੇ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਉਹ ਚ ਆਪਣਾ ਗੰਦ ਪਾਉਣ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਾਲਾ ਬਣਾਉਣ? ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ।
सॉरी यस, सो बेसिकली मैं ये बताना चाहती थी कि हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है यहाँ पे और लुधियाना इज एन इंडस्ट्रियल हब, बट इसके साथ हमारी गवर्नमेंट को दे हैव टू कम फॉरवर्ड कि हमने अपना पानी बचाना है। इट इज बिकमिंग सो टॉक्सिक कि इतनी स्किन डिजीजेस, इतने कैंसर, द काइंड ऑफ अलार्मिंग रेट दैट वी हैव फॉर कैंसर इज माइंड बॉगलिंग राइट नाउ। सो दैट इज द रीजन वी एज एजुकेटेड स्टार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी वांट टू कम फॉरवर्ड एंड वी वांट टू क्रिएट दैट अवेयरनेस कि सब इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें। हम चाहते हैं दैट वी नीड टू ब्रिंग दिस रेवोल्यूशन कि हर हाउस होल्ड, हर बच्चा, हर एक जना रियलाइज करे कि दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम एंड तभी वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगी।
Ruhi, you come from the upper echelons of the society where you've seen a stream which is absolutely clean, that's running by your home
Absolutely.
and your environs. So what makes you, like, is it just a social cause that
No.
you're taking up for popularity, or have you really felt the pain?
Well, it's not only about living here. So even if I live across the canal, it gets clean every now and then. But this is not the only thing that we see. So when you go around Punjab, जैसे diseases देखते हैं, जैसा पानी दिखता है, जैसे videos देखते हैं, it really gives us goosebumps. कि क्यों हम as a society नहीं कर पा रहे? When we can bring the change that we wish to see in the world.
So what do you think needs to be done? We can talk about the
Create
problems.
awareness.
Yeah, you can create awareness. But
we
what's the solution according
We
to you?
should have government working with us hand in hand. So if the government is not going to support us, it's not going to happen with it. And along with government, it should be support. It should be schools. It should be the education. It should be the ministry. It has to be a collective effort from everywhere.
Have you chalked out a plan? Like, we can easily say the government needs to do this and that, but tell us a practical way that it can be done, because many governments have tried it for multiple times. It's like government announced like a 600-700 CR project to clean the Buddha Nala.
Exactly.
Balbir Singh Seechewal, who's like a Nobel laureate, I
Right.
think he's a Rajya Sabha member, and
But do you think now he's working? Sorry for interrupting. He's not working at all now because he has been, appointed as a member. So he's not working anymore. Seechewala did it very well earlier, but now he's no more in this campaign.
Kali Pe, he did
Huh.
good, but for Buddha Darya, he's not doing his bit.
Yeah.
He
Why do you
actually,
think
because it's all political agenda now.
Yes.
He is doing it just to get the membership of the Rajya Sabha. He did it for the Rajya Sabha seat, but now he's not doing it because
Achha, it's a big statement.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So we have some political.
like he got the
he's been
popularity
associated for
because
almost 14
he
years.
cleared the Kali Pe by getting into it. He cleared the Kali Pe by himself, so he got the popularity, and government appointed him for Buddha Darya also, but he did nothing, and he just got the Rajya Sabha membership for
But
the
why do you think he's not doing it?
because he
There's a lot of
is
pressure.
like there were so many
He gave one sample. He said, like,
yeah, there were so many samples taken by the government people, and he got the officers of his interest who cleared it. All the samples are doing good, and the Darya's water is fine. No dyeing unit is doing anything bad into it. Even though the STPI units are not working there, the dyeing units are not processing their waste, and they are just putting it into the Darya. And even then, the Seechewal report says it's good. It's good. You can mix this water into the Satluj River. We don't need it more cleaning for this unit. All our people appointed, they are doing good. it's all going good, and it's because of the natural cause it's getting dirty.
But why do you think so? When the intention seems very clear and the marketing has been done, so why do you think, is it really impossible to do it, or there's lack of will?
There is
Lack of will, lack of will. And we are annoyed with this thing. That's really. I have a question for you, Mr. Maneet. Do you want to live with this kind of a water?
Really, it doesn't matter. I don't go there.
You don't.
Honestly, hang on.
Listen to me. You don't
We
go
see the
there.
videos, we see everything, but I mean, the kind of people we have here, they are the upper strata of the society. Obviously, they are taking up a cause, but let me be very honest. They are living in very clean environments, and it doesn't affect them
Well,
literally.
No.
I would
It
second
is
that.
affecting. We are taking the RO. Water is filtered. We are drinking the water, right? Are we taking RO water for showers, for toiletries? Are we taking that one?
No.
With
is
that,
no
we are
cause
getting
we
skin
find
cancers.
vegetables we are eating.
Yeah, even the vegetables.
Yes.
Let's hear from Ruchi. You
So
already have come out.
it's not only about the upper strata of the society, but are we actually having that clean water? If you say that, you know, we are having all the luxuries, you know, we can afford all the necessities as well, but are we able to afford avoiding not getting cancer? It's in the air, it's in the water, it's in the food, it's everywhere. And you will not know that Ludhiana or probably Punjab has the maximum cases of cancer these days. Why? Root cause is water.
Alright.
Can we change
And
the
what do you
water?
want to say? Anybody else who has any opinion? It's good to see people who are aware. So, what do you want to say?
They are children from. I know. They will be doing.
Ma'am, please come up. What do you want to say? आगे आइए।
ਮੈਂ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਵੀ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਸਟ 'ਚ ਆਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਬਚਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਅਗਲੀ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਕੁਝ ਚੰਗਾ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ
कितना बचाना चाहिए पानी?
Be a part of the
Ma'am,
revolution.
you tell us,
Actually,
ma'am,
Huh.
what is the solution? Let's talk about the solution. What is the real solution?
Yeah, there are.
many of
Yes, if they want
Tell
to
me a-
work.
That's what I had told you, no? Like dying units, they have to
Discharge the waste in the darya after processing it. Not even 1% of the dyeing units are doing the same. Secondly, the STPI projects where the sewerage treatment plant are installed, they are not in the working condition.
Yes.
If the waste of the normal colonies are going and dumping into that, we are not getting it treated. So these two are the major hindrances I personally feel. जो मैंने पता है. There are so many other things like the vegetable people, they should get the clean water.
The
They are
vegetables
not
that have
even
been
getting
grown
that.
in these near Buddha Nala.
Even the
definitely
Rajasthan
most
people are
polluted
using this water for the drinking purpose.
Yeah,
So that's
exactly.
like horrible.
And
We
even if
are.
you see there at what do you call that, Harike Pathan, when this water goes there, it doesn't mix in that pure water. And
In
fishes
the Harike Pathan, the fishes are dead because the water is black.
75% of mercury is there.
Yeah. So
But you need to understand the only solution to this is it's a vicious circle. It's a vicious circle. Everybody has to come into the loop. I mean, it's not only as a citizen we have to work for it, as an industrialist, as government, as students, as educators, we have to put this into the circle so that everybody has that kind of vision that we need to work on this collectively. That is what the aim is, and that is what the solution is going to be in the long run. It's not only about Buddha Darya right now, it'll be something else tomorrow. If we don't have that mindset of changing, how will we bring the change?